Okay, so yeah, I'm recording right now. So in this video, I will tell you how to use context hook, the best practice of using use context hook. So for that, I have created an React app using Vite. So yeah, you get an app component inside whenever you create a React app. So I have cleared everything which was there before in that my React app, and I have written this much code inside it. So there's a code in which there's a code whenever we create React app, the lot of code we get in this whenever we create it. I have cleared everything, and now I have written this much here. Okay, so here I am returning button here. So this is my button. You can see if I write S and save it, you will get S here. So yeah, it is working perfectly fine. I will create everything in front of you. So inside it, I will create a div and I will do every styling also in front of you. I will use Tailwind here. And for Tailwind, I have created in my first video. I have told how to set up Tailwind in your React app. So you can see that if you want to set up Tailwind. But it's very easy, believe me. Just and whenever you are watching my video, just watch it. Do not just watch it and learn. Do not write code while learning. Write code after learning from that video. So yeah, I have talked much about it. Now I should write code. So div, and I will uh, give this bg black flex justify as center ic item center. Wait, yes, and h screen is fine. Wait, something is wrong. Bg black spelling is wrong. Yeah. So after this, I will create a label. HTML for check. Yes, check. Inside it, I will create an input of checkbox, and I will give it an ID. Giving ID is important. Okay, check check. Yes. After this, I will create a span tag, which will right now, which is the function of span tag. I will create a toggle button here. You must have seen a toggle button everywhere, like in dark mode light mode we see the best application of that toggle button, and I will do same here. So let me write it. Okay, so I will give some classes to this. uh, Weight, I will give it a width of 20, h of 10 would be fine, and bg pink, light pink. What about light? Yeah, light pink is looking good. Okay, so bg this and rounded full. Yes. Now this input tag is just for clicking it, and span tag is for sliding it. So I will write some uh, code in this span tag. Bg what red maybe inside red. I will write dark red. So here you will see nothing will work because it will work after some time. Let me show you. Class uh, sr only. These are some class. If you don't know, just see a tutorial of 1 or 2 hour of Tailwind. You will get to know everything. I'm just writing for those who know Tailwind. SR only, and I'm giving this everything inside this to my peer, which is span tag. Okay, so now you can see that input has gone. Now I will give it a position of absolute and give its parent to relative position. Yes. So now uh, peer wait peer checked uh, bg red of bg green. Wait, when peer is checked, I will green. I'll make this bg to green. Else And first I will give this height and width also. Sorry, I forgot that. H of let's say 2 by 5. 2 by 5 would be fine. And height of 4 by 5, let's check it. Yeah, so height of 4 by 5 is not good. Height of 2 by 5, it's better. And h of 4 by 5, yeah. And I will top. Now you can see this span tag 1. And from left, I'll get a margin of 1. It is in center right now. Rounded, wait, rounded, full, wait. Yeah, you can see. Now I'm clicking it. It is changing its color from red to green. Now I just have to write a transition. mm, Transition all. uh, duration of 700 millisecond is good. Yeah. Now I have to slide it also. So here, checked. When it is checked, uh, left 11 would be fine. Yeah. Now when it is checked, it will go there and here. Yeah. So yeah, I have created this toggle button successfully, and I will make this pink color much lighter, more lighter. Yes. Now I have to create the main, and now I will focus on my main thing, which was how to create context provider. So in context provider, I will create a context. I have created a context.jsx. So this is my previous code. Okay, I have cleared it, and now my context is empty. I will write everything in front of you. Like this was my use component when I used to do React. I wrote these things, but now I have cleared everything to show you. I will write uh, wait, const uh, export const my context, yeah, or I should write a good name for it. Button context, okay. btn con no, not btn context, some other name. So my button context, yeah. So there's a rule in React. Whenever you're writing a context name, it should be in capital. Okay. Now context provider. No, sorry, create context. create context. There are many things to learn in React, but if you seriously want to learn them, you will learn everything of them. Const. I have written wrong spelling of const here. I have. Uh, yes. So now I will make another function. Export. Wait. Export default. Not default. Just export function. My button context provider. This is the provider function of my button context. What will this function do? So here I will return. This function will have some childrens inside it. I will tell you why. Like whenever we write something, like here, if I will write something in between this button context, so in this button component, those everything which I write inside it will go to children tag. Children is a prop, it is nothing, it is a prop. And after that, my btn context dot provider context, this name should be same name which is written here, but it has nothing to do with this dot provider. And for that, let me change this. Provide not change. I'll make it like this only. But I'm telling you, this my context dot provider has nothing to do with this. Yes, it is related with this, but not this. It is providing something, many things to this function. It is providing everything to this function. And like here, I'm getting those children, and I'm passing those children to my VTN context. I'm provider. This provider means this is providing something to whom this provider this function is providing things, to children. Simple. Yes. So now I guess I have done everything right, and now I will write my main code here. So I will cut it from here. Oh, sorry, not use, never use curly braces after React in JSX after return statement. And here I will my btn context provider, not btn context. It imported that, and inside that I will write button. So is it giving me any error? Not error. So yeah, we have successfully connected our context.jsx file with this app file. Now everything inside that, like if there any other tag would be present inside it, like say uh, cart tag. So this cart will have access of this everything inside this butter provider. But now I do not have any cart tag. That's why I have done some. I have cleared that cart tag, and now I will use that state here. So in like context, now I will create a use state variable. So const btn comma set btn set button use uh, state, and initially I would like to make it false, and if you leave it empty, it means it is false. But I will write here. Uh, Writing things is sometimes a better way. You won't get any errors. The chances of error get reduced. Now okay. So and I'm creating this button, and now I will pass this button as a value, uh, as a value to this provider function. Okay, and like let me pass the set btn as well. So if you want to pass only one value, just write inside a curly braces. If you pass more than one value, make it an object, and btn comma set btn. Now pass it. Otherwise you will get an error. And now in button I will get it. So for fetching that data which was written in this my, now your every data is in this my context, my button context. You have to fetch everything from it. So const whatever you want to fetch, write it like this. I am destructuring here. If you want to just write this btn use context, and but I will destructure it here also. Otherwise you will have to get everything inside this btn, and then you will have to destructure it. I won't do that. I do not have that much time. And as well, I have created that button in front of you. Set btn, and you are connecting to which context? This my context, my button context. So write that name here, my button context. Okay. So till now, no error, which means we are doing it right. Now I want to just console one thing, btn. So I have made that button false. So if I am getting false here, it means wait. Let me cut this xkali draw, and yeah, I'm getting false whenever I'm yes. Now I will just uh, make my set btn function. I have get that set btn function here as well, and now I will pass this to whenever I will click on input tag on click handle, wait, not handle, I will write a one liner function It will be quite easy. Set btn, opposite of btn, right? You get that code. Now I will, let me show you. Now I am printing btn here. So if btn is false, it will set btn to true. If btn is true, it will set it to false. True, false, true, false. See this here. And you're getting this double output because of that string mode, strict mode, which we get in React. Default, that's a default mode. You can clear that, but it's good. It checks your code double, and if any error, it will give you an error. Like sometimes we do not get any error in our single code, single time re-render in single re-render, but whenever that double re-renders second time, we get error. So strict mode helps us there. Now on click set btn to opposite, and now I will just do some inline styling and inline dynamic styling. Why I'm using dynamic word here? Because I will clear these curly braces, and I will pass these backticks here. Now I can write JavaScript here as well, and bg black, not bg black. Now I will make it if btn is true, then set btn to uh, set btn to what color? Black. Else set btn to bg white. Wait, yeah, bg. Now see this. I have created everything in front of you, and see this toggle button is perfectly fine, working fine, and it's looking too good. Now it's like a dark mode and light mode button. I can do something like this as well. Initially, this button is white, and wait, doing this just for styling purpose. Now it has nothing to do with my code. And when peer is checked, bg black. Is it looking not looking that good? But yeah, it is looking good. Wait, this bg white is not good. Bg stone. Yeah, this is good. Or I should. So yeah, let me end this video, because if I do much styling, video will get longer. Okay, so thank you so much.